Well, one of three things is going to happen. Either the ESC is going to cut out, or I'm going to crash, or I might hit my mark.
I'm your huckleberry.
This is one I've been working on for a little while, and with the original motor in it and everything else, the best I've done was like 71 miles an hour with the stock gearing and the speed gear. And then I bumped up the gearing on it and everything else, and the ESC kept cutting out. It cut out like at 55 miles an hour or whatever else. So I wound up yanking the motor out of this and putting it in another car. It's been sitting as a roller for, God, for months. And then I wrecked my low-C laser nut not too long ago. I hit a curb like at 20 miles an hour, and it broke the frame, the aluminum frame, cracked it. I'm like, okay, that car's done now. So it's got a 4S system in it, 1900 kV motor. So I'll pull it out of the laser nut and I put it in this. So now I'm going to see if this is going to work. So I'm going to try to hit my personal best. I'm trying to get that triple digit mark. I just want to hit 100 miles an hour. I do have it geared very high right now, so I have a feeling the ESC is going to cut out. So I probably need to put the factory gears back in it, but I'm going to try it like this first. But I do have a 29 tooth pinion, and I can't remember what the spur is. I'll flash it on the screen what the gear ratio is. But anyway, we're going to go try it out, guys. So y'all wish me luck. All right, here we go. Let's see if it's even. There we go, it's working. Well, let's see what that run was before I do a second one. I think I need to set the trim on this thing a little better. Miles an hour. Okay, I'll try another one here in a second. Well, I did do that second speed run. I couldn't control it. Shit. What? That was a 73 mile an hour hit, and luckily it went under that little beam. So it just ruined the body. And the battery went forward and it broke a shock. Other than that, everything still seems to be fine. So I think what I'll do, I'll fix the shock. I have a spare body. I'm going to put the stock gears back in it with the upgraded pinion and try that. Because this thing's just way too high geared. The ESC was cutting out. It was, I think, stopping at 75 miles an hour. That's about the best I could do with it. But we'll try it again here pretty soon. But guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all be good and take care.